Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for social media marketing. Let's get started. First, use ChatGPT to brainstorm endless post idea. Then type ideas for social marketing and strategies. Then instantly ChatGPT will give you a creative suggestions. Then ChatGPT can also write catchy caption. You can also ask it to generate trending hashtags to boost reach. Then need a posting schedule. Our ChatGPT can create a weekly content calendar. Just say make me a 7-day content plan for Facebook and Instagram about skincare tips. This helps you to be consistent. And lastly, ChatGPT can even use to draft quick professional replies to comments or DMs. Just ask it write a friendly reply to a customer who loves our product. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.